Om Hari Om children, welcome to the Sanskrit session. Let us start with the usual prayers. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gururdevo Maheshwarah Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Welcome to all the seniors. Let us start Mahishasura Mardini Stotram. Last week we did 7, 8 and 9. That we will revise first, 7th sloka. Can anybody chant of your own 7th one? I have posted in the group also. Anybody is ready to chant of your own? Please volunteer, tell your name. Okay, then you can repeat. Virat,
Oh, Mama.
you can repeat.
Sure.
Ayi nijahum kriti
I nijahum kriti
matra nirakrita
matra nirankrita
dhumra vilochana
dhumra vilochana
dhumrashate
dhumrashate
samaravishe samaravisheshita
samaravishishita
shonita bija
sonita bija
samudbhava shonita
samudbhava shonita
bijalate
bijalate
shiva shiva shumba nishumba
shiva shiva shumba nishumba
mahahavatarpita
Mahavatarpita
bhutapisacharate.
Bhutapisacharate.
Fourth line you can join with me. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Okay. See, when I am telling you to revise, you should be able to chant of your own. For that only I am doing the revision. But nobody has time to revise at home, I think. Anyway, 8th, Hanya.
Yes, Amma.
You can chant 8th one?
Amma, can you repeat after you?
Okay. Dhanuranu Sangha
Dhanuranu Sangha
Ranakshana Sangha
Ranakshana Sangha
Parispuradanga
Parispuratanga
Natat Katake
Natakatake
Kanakapishanga
Kanakapisanga
Prishat Kanishanga
Prishankani Shanga
Rasad Bhata Shringa
Rasat Padashrinka
Hatavatuke
Patapatuke
Krita Chaturanga
Kritacharuranga
Krita Chaturanga
Kritachaturanga
Balakshitiranga
Palakshitiranга
Khadad Bahuranga
Ratakpaguranga
Ratat Batuke.
Ratapatuke
Fourth line you chant yourself.
Jaya 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 He Mati Shashuramardini रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
It is Mahishasura. What? Repeat.
महिषासुर.
Yeah. Okay. Not Madhishasura. Mahisha. Now ninth one. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you can chant of your own.
Vaishnavi has not joined yet. Vaishnavi
Okay.
sisters, I think, are there. Can
They
you
also can chant. Yeah. Vaishnavi sisters, can you chant ninth one of your own?
Yes, Amma. Amma,
Ah.
Chinmay and Desika have their exam, so they are not here today. I'll do it myself.
Okay.
Suralalanatat.
Acha, that one actually I have not
Yes, Amma.
taught. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya.
Can I repeat?
Acha, ninth one only last week I.
Jaya Jaya, you see.
You cannot do that?
No, Amma.
Okay. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya.
Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya.
Shabda Parastuti Tatpara.
Shabda Parastuti Tapara.
Vishwanute.
Vishvanute.
Bhana Binjimi.
Bhana Bhana Bhinjimi.
Vinkritanupura.
Pinkritanupura.
Sinchita Mohita.
Sinjitamohita.
Bhutapate.
Bhutapate.
Natita Nadarda.
Natita Natarda.
Nati Natanayaka.
Nati Natanayaka.
Natita Natya.
Natita Natya.
Suganarate.
Suganarate.
Fourth one you chant yourself.
Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardiनि Ramyakapardini Shailasute.
Okay, thank you. Vishuddha, 10th one.
Yes, Amma.
Ayi Sumana.
I Sumana. Sumanohara.
Kantiyute.
Kantiyute.
Shitarajani.
Shitarajani.
Rajani kara.
Rajani kara. Vaktravrite.
Once more. Ayi Sumana.
I Sumana.
Sumanohara Kantiyute.
Sumanohara Kantiyute.
Shitarajani.
Shitarajani.
Rajani Karavahtravrite.
Rajani Karavaktravrite.
Sunayana Vibhramara.
Sunaya Vibhramara.
Sunayana Vibhramara. Sunayana Vibhramara.
Sunayana Vibhramara.
Bhramara
Brahmaradipate.
Sunayana Vibhramara.
Sunayana Vibhramara.
Bhramaradipate.
Brahmaradipate.
Fourth line you chant yourself.
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Once more we will repeat. First line full I will chant. Ayi sumana 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 sumano harakanti yute.
ऐ सुमन 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते
Shitarajani rajani 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 karavaktravrite.
श्रितरजनी रजनी 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 करवक्त्रवते
Vaktravrite.
करवक्त्रवृते
सुनयनवि भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते.
सुनय रवि भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते
सुनयन सुनयन विभ्रमर. Tell me.
सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते
Continue.
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
It's very easy actually. Same repetition. How many times exactly you have to know that song. Okay. Next. Next who is there? Khushi is there?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Sahita Mahahava
Sahita Mahahava
Mallamatallika
Mallava Matallika
Mallama Mallamatallika
Mallamatallika
Mallitarallaka
Mallitarallaka
Mallarate
Mallarate
Sahita Mahahava
Sahita Mahahava
Mallamatallika
Mallamatallika
Mallitarallaka
Mallitarallaka
Mallarate
Mallarate
Virachitavallika
Virachitavallika
Pallika Mallika
Allika Mallika
Bhillika Bhillika
Bhillika Bhillika
Vargavrite
Vargavrite
Virachitavallika
Virachitavallika
Pallika Mallika
Pallika Mallika
Bhillika Bhillika
Bhillika Bhillika
Vargavrite
Vargavrite
Sitakrita Pulla
Sitakrita Bhulla
Samullasitaruna
Samullasitaruna
Tallaja Pallava
Tallaja Pallava
Sallalite
Sallalite
Sitakrita Pulla
Sitakrita Bhulla
Samullasitaruna
Samallita Runa
Samullasitaruna
Samulsitaruna
Samullasitaruna
Samulsitaruna
Tallaja Pallava
Tallaja Pallava
Sallalite.
Sallalite
Fourth line you chant yourself.
जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Once more. Sahita Mahahava Mallamatallika
सहितः महाहव मल्लमथालिक
मल्लितरल्लक मल्लरते
मल्लितरल्लक मल्लरते
विरचितवल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक
विरचितवल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक
भिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवृते
भिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवते
सीतकृत फुल्लसमुल्लसितारुण
सितकृत फुल्लसमुल्लसितारुण
तल्लज पल्लव सल्ललिते
तल्लज पल्लव सल्ललिते
कंटिन्यू
जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Yes, that tune also should come correctly. Okay, very nice. Nicely you chanted. Next, who else? Anybody, please volunteer your name.
Amma, may I be Vaishnavi?
Okay. You know this, Vaishnavi? Well,
Yes, Amma.
then you chant. Let me see.
अविरलगण्डगलन्मदमेधुरमत्तमतङ्गजराजपते त्रिभुवनभूषणभूतकलानिधि रूपपयोनिधिराजसुते अयि सुदती जनलालसमानसमोहनमन्मथराजसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Very good. Excellent. Once more. Repeat. Slowly.
Okay. अविरलगण्डगलन्मदमेधुरमत्तमतङ्गजराजपते त्रिभुवनभूषणभूतकलानिधि रूपपयोनिधिराजसुते अयि सुदती जनलालसमानसमोहनमन्मथराजसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते.
Good. Excellent. Next, one more shloka. Can we take? Time is there. I think time is over. Soumya?
It's 4:49, Mami.
49, no?
Yes.
It's okay, no? We'll stop now.
Yes.
Yeah. So please revise up to 12. Okay? Everybody, please revise. Thank you. Over to Soumya, ma'am.
Namaste children, Hari Om. So today we are going to discuss about a story. Some of you may know that. Have you heard about Nachiketa? How many of you know? Please raise your hand. Nachiketa story, let me see. Raise your hand. Huh? In the camp also we read that story. Lasya knows. What about Virat, Vishruta? You all don't remember? Okay, more than the story, we will spend more time on the takeaways. That is more important. Anyway, I'll go through the story first. This story is from Katha Upanishad. You all know what is Upanishad? Anyone?
Is the minor.
Yes, what is Upanishad?
A group of texts which relies on Vedas, which expands on Vedas, introducing rebirth and karma.
What is it? On Vedas, what did you say after that?
Introducing rebirth and karma.
Okay. It's Vedanta. See, in Vedas, there are two parts, Karma Kanda and Jnana Kanda. Karma Kanda talks about all rituals. In Jnana Kanda, the Upanishads, Vedanta. So they talk spiritual texts. It all tells you about life after death, about Atma, everything. There are about 108 Upanishads. Some Upanishads are very important, 10 or 11. Katha Upanishad is one of the important major Upanishads. The Katha Upanishad starts with a story, Nachiketa. Nachiketa was a small boy, maybe 8 to 10 years old boy. His father was a sage, Vajasravas. He was conducting a yajna. Yajna, you all know, a big ritual, puja. With Homa Kundam and all that, they do yajna. The purpose of conducting the yagya was he wanted to go to heaven. For that he was conducting that yagya. And after the yagya, it was the custom they should give dhanam. Dhanam to Brahmins. And you know what dhanam he gave? All useless cows. Some blind cows, some tame cows, old cows, which could not even give milk. Such cows his father was giving as dhanam to the Brahmins. After seeing that, Nachiketa got very upset. Why his father was giving such useless cows as dhanam? So he asked his father, whom are you going to give me as dhanam? You are giving the cows to the Brahmins, so you can give me also as dhanam. He went on asking his father. At first his father ignored him. Then he got irritated and he suddenly said, I am going to give you to Yama. You know who is Yama? Anybody? Who is Yama?
Snigdha.
The
Yes,
Lord of Death.
God of death is God of death, but he is also very knowledgeable, Yama, and he follows Dharma. He is also known as Dharma Raja. So when his father told, I am going to give you to Yama, so to keep up his father's word, you know where Nachiketa reached? Nachiketa reached the Yamaloka. Yamaloka is the place Yama lives. And when he went there, Yama was not available. He had gone out somewhere. So for 3 days, Nachiketa had to wait for Yama. He was waiting patiently. He didn't leave and come back. Without food, without water, he was waiting for Yama. Yama came back after 3 days. He felt very bad seeing a young boy waiting for him without food and water. Yama got very upset. Then he told this boy, I appreciate your patience. So I am going to give you 3 boons. You know what are boons? We say varam. Something, whatever you want, you ask me, I will give it. So Nachiketa asked him 3 boons. First he asked, he was a little bit upset that he had come away from his father. His father may be angry. So he asked Yama, when I go back, my father should welcome me lovingly. He should not be angry at me. That was the first boon. That is a very simple one. Yama said, okay, granted. Second boon, Nachiketa said, my father was conducting a yagya for going to heaven. Many people want to go to heaven. So can you teach me that fire sacrifice? It is called a fire sacrifice. How to do that puja, that yagya, what are the rituals? You teach me so that I can help others also to do that yagya so that they can go to heaven. So that also Yama granted easily, and not only that, he named that yagya after Nachiketa. He told this yagya will be hereafter known as Nachiketa yagya. Okay, 2 boons granted. Now the third boon, Nachiketa asked, I want to know what happens after death. See, what is actually everyone says we are not this body, we are not this mind, we are this Atma. What is this Atma? Is Atma immortal? Does it have birth or death? I want to know all these facts of life. This is all very higher knowledge. So Yama told, you are such a young boy. How can I teach you all these things, these spiritual knowledge? No. It is very difficult. You ask me anything else, this I cannot teach you. So Nachiketa said, no, I want to know only knowledge of Atma. Then Yama started tempting him with so many other boons. He said, I will give you lots and lots of wealth. Gold coins, ornaments, silver coins, any amount you want, I will give you. Nachiketa said, no, I don't want wealth. Then Nachiketa said, okay, I will give you long life. Hundreds and hundreds of years you can live. Not only you, your children, your grandchildren, all of them can live, have a long life. Nachiketa was not attracted. No, he said. Okay, I will give you big palaces where a lot of elephants will be there, horses will be there, cattle will be there, musicians will be there, dancers will be there to entertain you. For that also Nachiketa said no. He went on offering all these beautiful material pleasures to Nachiketa, but Nachiketa firmly refused. Now Yama became very happy. This child is something special. He is very determined. So I must teach him the knowledge of Atma. So he was happy with Nachiketa because he chose Shreyas to Preyas. Now we are going to mainly discuss about Shreyas to Preyas. Before that, we will take the takeaways from the story so far. Then we will come to Shreyas and Preyas. First, the father gave away the useless cows. Why was Nachiketa happy? What is wrong with that? Can you tell? You have studied about that. Dhanam. What kind of dhanam you should do? Amma. Dhanam, Satvika Dhanam, have you forgotten? How should you do?
You
Huh?
should give away the good things to anyone, Amma.
Dhanam means what kind of things you should give away as dhanam. You have learned that. I'm asking you. Suppose you are giving toys.
Can I tell?
Huh?
Lasya, tell.
Amma, I don't know the exact scientific word, but dana means like you have to give away things that are useful to people and not cheat them or do something like that. You have
If
to
you are
be
donating
truthful.
toys to poor children, will you give torn, broken toys? Torn
we have to.
clothes?
No, ma'am, we have to give proper useful toys. We have to be truthful.
Not only toys, whatever dhanam, whatever things you give away as dhanam, it should be in good condition. That is Satvika Dhanam. You have learned Satvika Dhanam, Rajasika Dhanam, Tamasika Dhanam, everything. Forgotten. So, because his father was giving useless things, he was upset. And he questioned his father. So, what quality you see here? When something like this, which is not proper, adharmic thing happens, you should not keep quiet. He was even questioning his father why he was doing like that. That is the takeaway.
Mama, this is Snigdha.
Yes.
So, what is his name, ma'am? I forgot the main character.
Nachiketa.
Nachiketa's father was donating useless cows, right, ma'am? So, will it be tamasic dhanam?
Yes, it will be tamasic dhanam. Very good. So that is the thing you are learning from the first part. Then he went to Yama's place and he was waiting there for 3 days. So what quality of Nachiketa you learned from here? 3 days without food and water.
Amma, Satvika
Mama,
Dhanam.
this is Snigdha.
Anybody else?
Amma,
3
this
days.
is Hania.
Yes, Hania.
Anya?
Amma, Satvika Dhanam.
We're not talking about Dhanam. He was
Oh.
waiting there for 3 days to meet Yama. Will you have that patience for anything?
No, Amma.
So, what quality you are learning from there?
Amma, this is Lasya, can I tell?
You should be.
Amma, we learn patience and determination from
Yes, patience and determination. If you want to meet someone, if you want to achieve something, you need that determination. If you start learning a new skill, just you first initially you find it's not easy. Will you give away like that? No, you should continue to try. So that is about the patience.
Amma, this is Snigdha.
Yes.
Nachiketa he did not give up, ma'am.
Yes, he did not give up. Very good. So after that, about the boons, first boon, he asked his father should not be angry. That shows his love for father and all that. Now we come to the main part. Yama was happy because he refused all the material pleasures, whatever Yama offered. No, the wealth he didn't want, the long life he didn't want. He didn't want any of those things. He was very particular. He should only receive that jnanam about Atma. So that is called, he was choosing Shreyas over Preyas. Now I will tell you what is Preyas and what is Shreyas. You are going to come out with examples in your daily life. Preyas means what we like, what pleases us, what offers immediate gratification to our senses, feelings, and self-will, without providing us with lasting benefit in long term. But Shreyas, choosing the best consequences when it feels good or not. It may not feel good also. Often foregoing the temporary pleasure for the sake of lasting benefit. Okay, let me take one simple example to explain to you. You have final exams tomorrow, but in the TV, the T20 final is going on. So your mind, those who are interested in cricket, naturally, what would you want to do? You go and watch TV, which gives you the immediate pleasure. That gives you pleasure. But what will happen if you sit and watch it for 2 or 3 hours? You are neglecting your studies. So, in the long term, what is going to happen? Your marks will become less. So, prayers means you are giving in. You are tempted to choose something which gives you immediate pleasure, immediate gratification. But in the long term, that is not going to be useful to you. On the other hand, if you make up your mind, my studies are important now, that is not pleasant, isn't it? Choosing your studies over your favorite cricket, it does not appear to be pleasant. You don't like it, but still, if you are determined and you concentrate on your studies, you can watch that afterwards also in the TV. You will get better results. So, Shreyas gives you long-term benefit. Immediately, it is not at all attractive. It is not attractive. It is not pleasant. So, Prayas appears to be right thing, but actually Shreyas only is the right thing to choose, which has long-term benefit. So, can you come out with some examples for this? Just like I told you now, exam and watching TV. Yes, Hania.
Amma, like waking late at 9 or 10 is okay, but to study at morning is so pleasant, so we should wake up at 6 or 5 or 4, Amma.
Waking up, yes, for some of you, waking up early is not a pleasant one. So you feel like sleeping. But if you overcome that, and if you can wake up early, you can, that time actually your concentration will be better. That will be Shreyas. Waking up early, yes. Anybody else?
Amma, this is
Okay, Vishruta, you want to say something?
Amma, helping the elders, ma'am, while they're doing some work which we like, for example, watching TV or something like that, and then we see that one of our family members needs help. So this is a bit of a problem. So choosing to help family members is Shreyas, and the continuing to watching our show is prayers.
Very good. That is also a good example. Leaving your TV and going to help somebody, elders in your family. Initially, it doesn't look very pleasant, but that is good. They will bless you. Yes, Kushi?
Amma, we usually don't do yoga and meditation, which is good for our health. So we think it is a lot of work, and we leave it, and we choose to eat junk food or something. Or
Yes.
yeah, so it is Shreyas over praise.
So, what is prayers? What is Shreyas? Eating junk
Prayers
food and leaving yoga, that is
Shreyas.
prayers.
Okay.
Eating junk food because you feel like eating pizza, chocolate. So that is pray. That gives you immediate pleasure. But if you continuously eat, that will affect your health. Same way, if you do yoga, that will in long term you are going to benefit. So that is Shreyas. Leaving yoga, skipping yoga one day is prayers. Okay, very good. Health connected. Anything else? Any other
Ma,
example?
this is Lasya. Can I tell?
Yes.
Amma, you're in the mall and you want to go to a movie. The movie starts in a few minutes, but you see an old lady trying to get on the escalator. She's not able to get on, and you leave the movie and you try and help her. So it's
very good. And in your Sanskriti class time, your friends are calling you to play. What is Shreyas? What is prayers?
Going to play prayers and attending is Shreyas.
But many are absent because it is exam time. They give that as excuse. So between Sanskriti class and exam, still I will say choosing Sanskrit class is Shreyas. You are learning shlokas, that is in the form of a prayer for your exam. And you are learning so many values that will help you to improve in your studies, your preparation. So even then, attending Sanskriti class will be Shreyas. Again, any other example? Medicine, our vaccination, suppose you have to take. You are asked to take some vaccination, a bit painful. So, what can you?
Amma, this is Snigdha.
Yes.
One time when I was small kid, like we was on the escalator. So in beside there was another which was going down. There was a man going down. Then one when my mother spilled some sauce, I slipped and fell down, ma'am. So like he was so urgent that he want to go to movie, ma'am. Actually, we were also going for a movie, but he came down. He did not see also. He saw and but did not help me, ma'am. So my mother was so angry and took the Krishna path and read and become calm.
Oh, okay. Any other example? So I will tell you, if you take vaccination, it will be helpful. It will prevent some diseases and all that. So that is Shreyas in the long line. Even some doctors, they give just painkillers. At the time, it will seem to be beneficial, but that's not good. Even if the treatment takes more time, slow, and the medicines which will definitely help you to cure, you should go to those doctors. Like that, you can think of so many other examples. But that doesn't mean you should never watch and never take chocolate or pizza or anything. Once in a while, you can have these enjoyments, but within limits. The time counts, not sacrificing your duty, neglecting your duty, or helping others. That time you should not do other things, but otherwise, we are not telling that you should never eat chocolate, never watch TV like that. All within time limits you can do. So now we will be seeing two Bhagavad Gita slokas which are going to express the same meaning. The 18th chapter, 37th sloka. Yattadagre vishamiva pariname mrithopamam tatsukham satvikam proktam atmabuddhi prasadajam. This means sometimes you find happiness. It appears to be very happy, very pleasant. No, I'm sorry. It appears to be poison in the beginning, but later it becomes like amrita. So which guna is here? He says this is the satvika happiness. Satvik happiness. We have studied about satvik dhanam, satvik karma, satvik prayer. Like that, satvik happiness means all these things which appear unpleasant in the beginning. Studying, it appears to be unpleasant in the beginning. Taking healthy foods appears to be unpleasant in the beginning. So they appear to be like poison in the beginning. You don't like that. Only healthy food, I don't like. I want to study all the time, I don't like. You want to help others, I don't like. So the unpleasantness, that is like poison. But later it will become what? It will turn into amritam. So studying, if it appears to be poison in the beginning, you don't like it. But if you manage to be determined to study, later what will happen? You will get very good results. It will become like amrita. So this is sattvika happiness. What is this? A poison in the beginning and this is prayas or shreyas. Is it prayas or shreyas? Beginning it is not very pleasant, but afterwards it is very helpful to you. This is Shreyas. This is Shreyas. Now the next Bhagavad Gita sloka 18.38 Vishayendriyas yoga yadadagre mrithopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukam raja samsmritam. This is the opposite one. Sometimes some things appear as amritam in the beginning. They appear to be very pleasant, but later they turn to cause trouble. They take away your energy and peace of mind. All those sense attractions which you have all the time, watching TV, playing with video games, always chatting with friends, taking too much ice cream, pizza, chocolates and all that, all these appear as amritam in the beginning, but later they will become like poison. They will spoil your health. They may affect your studies. They may affect your character. So don't go by what appear to be pleasant in the beginning. Be determined. See what is the long-term benefit, and then you have to decide. That is what this sloka tells. Now, to Puranic story, you all must be knowing how we can connect with Shreyas and prayers. You all know Prahalada story, no? Can you connect it with Shreyas and prayers? Any one of you? Those who have not answered so far can try. How Prahlada story, how he chose prayers to Shreyas. Virat, what did his father want from Prahlada?
His father wanted him to worship him.
Hmm.
Even though that's the case, he decided to worship Vishnumurti.
Hmm. So if he had accepted what his father told, what would have happened?
His
Prayers. Huh.
Hmm.
Father would have given him everything. He would have been happy. There was no problem. He could have just listened to his father and he could have prayed to his father. But
Yeah.
what did he choose?
He chose to pray to
Vishnu only. Because of that, what did he go through?
He went through a lot of
troubles. Father tried to kill him in many ways. He was ready to undergo all those troubles. Why? Because his aim was only to worship Lord Vishnu. So that was the long-term benefit. Finally, Lord came as Narasimha and blessed him. So that was the long-term benefit. He was ready to undergo all those troubles. He didn't listen to his father. So let us just see how we can develop this quality of Shreyas. Is it very easy for you to develop Shreyas over prayers? We discussed so many things. In the young age, you should try. What are the sadhanas? Just whatever you have learned so far. One is Karma Yoga. You know, Karma Yoga means what? Always doing the right thing at the right time. That is, whatever you do, you have to do your duty cheerfully, without lamenting. You have to study means you have to study. You have to help your mother means you have to do it. So whether it is pleasant or unpleasant, doing your duty is also part of Karma Yoga. That is one thing. Next, you all have studied about Sattva, Rajas and Tamo Guna, haven't you? Huh? So which gunas you should avoid if you want to always choose Shreyas? Rajoguna, you remember what it makes you go after sense pleasures, go after desires. So Rajoguna, always you are restless. You want that, I want this, I want this. Your mind always wants one after another so many things. So if you go after Rajoguna, you can never decide for the Shreyas. And what about Tamoguna? What is Tamoguna? How does it shape your character? Tamoguna.
Amma, this is Lasya. Can I tell? Amma, Tamoguna makes us really lazy and we don't want to do anything. We are always sitting in one place and
you always keep postponing things. You want to sleep. You just want to neglect all your
overthinking. Amma, overthinking.
Yes, overthinking.
Amma, this is Snigdha.
But may I be Vaishnavi?
Yes.
Amma, we choose to do prayers more than prayers if we are tamasic guna.
Yes. So now you have to minimize tamasic guna, you have to manage rajoguna, and you should develop sattva guna. Also about likes and dislikes we have discussed. You should try to manage your raga dvesha. Too much of liking for anything or disliking or for anything, that also will end up in prayers only. Okay, just the last slide, I want you to go through this. You see, what are we expected to do now? Before making any decision, you have to do a contemplation. Deeply think about that and the consequences, the results, and the discipline. You should stick to what is right in spite of all difficulties. So this long-term vision will give you that future impacts over immediate gratitude. Don't go for immediate happiness. Go for future benefits. Then you will always be choosing Shreyas. Okay? So if you want to be successful in life, always make decisions properly, thinking over, choose Shreyas over prayers. That is the way you have to live your life in a wise way. Okay? That is about Shreyas and prayers. Thank you.
Thank you, seniors. Now we will move on to the junior session.
Hari Om Amma.
Hari Om.
Amma.
Bhaiya Mama.
Hari Om Amma.
Hari Om.
Amma, I think Amma Maya is in another place. I think he will join after some 5 to 10 minutes. Amma.
Okay, Lasya. Thank you. Okay, Nandan is here. Shrihan has joined. Grahit is here. Samrita has come. Okay. Mridula will continue.
Only 4 people are available.
Grahit, Mridula, Samrita, Shrihan and Nandan. 5 people are there. Maya will join in some
later,
time.
he says.
Okay, we can start with the starting prayer. Over to Lakshmi.
So welcome, juniors. We'll start the Sanskriti session with the prayers. Can anybody chant? Vakratunta Mahakaya. Rahit?
I know. Amma,
Yeah.
can I say Samrita?
Chant. After second one, Samskrita. Okay?
Amma, which one?
Vakratunta Mahakaya.
Okay, Amma. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurame Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada.
Very good. Now, Samrita, Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupani Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhar Bhavatu Me Sada.
Very good. Next, Nandan, Guru Brahma.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswarara, Guru Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
Okay. Now, over to Uma ma'am.
Hari Om children. Sarve Samskrita Vargaya Swagatam. Patami Samskritam Nityam. Vadami Samskritam Sada. Dhyayami Samskritam Samyak. Vande Samskrita Mataram. Vande Samskrita Mataram. Now we will see the song in Ekam, Dve, Trini in numbers, Sankhya. Sankhya song. Okay. Soumya ma'am, can you share that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Samrita agachatu.
Astu Amma.
Gayat. Anuvad. Ekam agaccha.
Ekam agaccha.
Do action with me now. It's very easy for you. Okay? Ekam agaccha.
Ekam agaccha.
Next. Dve swagatam.
Dve swagatam.
Dve swagatam.
Dve swagatam.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Chatvari kushalam kim.
Chatvari kushalam kim.
Very good. Chatvari kushalam kim.
Chatvari kushalam kim.
Pancha kaha visha.
Pancha kaha visha.
Very good. Pancha kaha visha. Vishesha, sorry ma. Kaha visheshaha.
Pancha kaha visheshaha.
Very good. Shart kripaya vada.
Shart tripya vicha.
Very good. Uttam. Dhanyavadaha. Nandan agachatu.
Astu Amma.
Sapta duktam piba.
Sapta Dugan.
Duktam piba.
Dugdam Piba.
Piba.
Dugdam Piba.
Sapta sapta dugdam piba.
Sapta dugdam piba.
Very good, Uttam. Ashta punar milama.
Ashta
punar milama. Punar milama. Okay? Ashta punar milama. Okay? Vadatu punar milama. Adu punaha milama. Vadatu punaha milama. Very good. Ashta punaha milama.
Ashta purnam milaha.
Punaha milama. Very good. Nava namaste.
Nava namaste.
Nava namaste. Dasha Rama.
Dasha Rama.
Your sister is very cute.
Huh?
Your sister is very cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Mama, this is my favorite one. Mama, this is not my brother. This is my sister.
Oh, okay. All having sisters. Very good.
Mama, I don't have a sister.
Brother,
He has a brother, ma'am. He has a brother.
Uttam.
But she.
Next
Ma'am,
students they are.
Mummy,
They are all the next students. Okay.
Ma'am,
Very
10
good.
minutes.
Very good. Srigan agachatu.
Hastu, Amma.
Next Grahit. Okay. Next Grahit. Okay. Ekam agacha.
Ekam agacha.
Dve swagatam.
Dve swagatam.
See here, no? Srigan. See here. Dve, not they. Dve swagatam.
Dve swagatam.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Trini upavisha.
Chatvari kushalam kim.
Chatvari kushalam kim.
Pancha kaha visheshaha.
Pancha kaha visheshaha.
Very good. Pancha kaha visheshaha.
Pancha kaha visheshaha.
Shart kribaya vada.
Shart kribaya vada.
Uttam. Next, Grahita agachatu va.
Astu, Amma.
You are very interested to sing the song. Am I correct?
Yes.
I am seeing you. Sapta duktam piba.
Sapta dugam pipa.
Not dugam. Dugdam piba.
Dugdam pipa.
Sapta duktam piba.
Sapta dugdam pipa.
Ashta punar milama.
Ashta pulanilama.
Very good. Ashta punar milama.
Ashta punalilama.
Nava namaste.
Nava namaste.
Very good. Next. Next. Dasha Rama. Vadatupa. Grahit.
Amma, me only. I thought my chance was over.
Okay. Dasha Rama.
Dasha Rama.
Okay. Very good. Uttama. Next screen ma.
Amma?
Who
This
is
is
calling? Who is calling?
Ma'am, I have Ramayana storybook.
Acha. Very good. Uttam. Show that.
What? Really?
Okay, next. Sankyaha. This
Ma'am,
is
I have
called
to show now.
number. Yes, you show that.
Okay, ma'am.
Sankyaha. These are numbers. Okay, in Sanskritam, Sankyaha. That is called numbers. Okay. Ekam. First one, your Nandan and Manushi. Manushi is not there. Mritula Agachatu.
Manushri is also there.
Acha. Okay. Manushi Agachatu.
Ayatama.
I'm sure. Sankyaha.
Sankyaha.
Numbers.
Numbers.
That is the Shishakam topic. Okay. Ekam.
Ekam. One.
One. Very good. Ekam.
Amma, this one I'm saying.
Very good. Uttam. Keep it with you. Okay. Every day you read. Ekam. One.
Ekam. One. Amma, I also have a Ramayana book.
Oh, very good. Very good. Uttam. Dve.
Amma, can I show it?
And now the
Not
class is going on.
now. Wait. Okay. We attend this class first. Later we can show all
Next.
of them.
Okay, Amma.
Dve. Two.
Okay. Two.
Very good. Trini.
Three. Three.
Chatwari. Four.
Four.
Pancha.
Pancha. Five.
Very good. Uttam. Mritula Agachatu. Mritula, are you there?
Yeah.
Shad. Six.
Shad. Six.
Sapta. Seven.
Sapta. Seven.
Ashta. Eight.
Ashta. Eight.
Nava. Nine.
Nava. Nine.
Dasha. 10.
Dasha. 10.
Very good. Uttam. Next, Samrita. Agachatu. Ekam. Oh. Time is available, Soumya? Which time?
Yeah, we have a few more minutes.
Okay. Samrita Agachatu. Ekam. Samrita, are you there?
Unmute, Samrita. Are you not able to unmute?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Agachatu. Vadatu. One. Ekam.
One. Ekam.
Two. Dve.
Two. Dve.
Trini. Three.
Trini. Three.
Chatwari. Four.
Chatwari. Four.
Pancha. Five.
Pancha. Five.
Shad. Six.
Shad. Six.
Sapta. Seven.
Sapta. Seven.
Ashta. Eight.
Ashta. Eight.
Nava. Nine.
Nava. Nine.
Dasha. 10.
Dasha. 10.
Very good. Uttam. Next screen. Show the. These are all the things available here. That is Trini. First, how many goats are there? Mritula Vadatu. Sheep are there. How many sheep?
Three. Three.
Trini. Trini Vadatu. Okay, in Sanskrit. Okay. Trini. Next, Nandan Agachatu.
Astu, Amma.
Two lions are there. What is the name of the in Sanskrit? Sankhya.
What?
What is the name in Sanskrit? Dve. Dve. Vadatu. Dve simhaha. Dve.
Dve simhaha.
Two means dve. Okay.
Dve.
Next. Grahit Agachatu. How many glass tumblers? Agachatu. How many glass tumblers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tumblers are there. Okay.
6. Pancha.
Pancha. Very good. Uttamam. Next. Samrudha.
Pancha.
Pancha. Very good. Uttamam. Samrudha agachatu vadatu. How many frogs are there?
Trini.
Trini. Very good. Uttamam. Next. Mritula agachatu. How many bananas are there?
Trini.
Trini. Uttamam. Manushi agachatu. Next screen.
Astu, ma'am.
Manushi, how many balls are there? Manushi, 4, yeah, 4. Manushi, vadatu, 4. In English, 4. What's the name in Sanskritam? Sanskrit? Chatwari. Chatwari Kanduka. Okay. Chatwari Kanduka. Okay. Chatwari. Okay. Next. Rabbit. Next. Mayakanan, no.
Srihan.
Srihan. Srihan, agachatu.
Astu, amma.
How many butterflies are there? See here. In the picture only. I am not roughly I am talking. What is the picture? See there, no?
I know. I don't know.
4. You tell in English only, okay? Chatwari. 4 means Chatwari. Chatwari in Sanskrit, okay? 4 butterflies. Chatwari, okay?
Chatwari. Amma, even Chatwari balls.
Chatwari balls. Kanduka. Kandukani, okay? Very good. The time is over now, Samir. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Vargala Samaptam. Next class, we will see the pictures. Okay.
Over to Hema ma'am for story session.
Namaste, students. So you all learned numbers with lovely pictures. So next time you should come, you should remember all these numbers, okay? Okay. Now, before I start the story, I have a question for you. Do you wish sometimes you were like someone else? Anytime? I wish I was like, yes, Mrudula.
I think I was like my teacher.
Your teacher, okay, you would like love to be like a teacher. I wouldn't, if I say, okay, I wish I was like Narendra Modi. Okay, sometimes we do wish, we think that we are not good enough or we are not perfect enough and we want to be like some other person. So let us keep this thought in our mind and listen to the story. Okay. Now, this story is about a blue jackal. This is a story from Panchatantra. Remember, I told you a very nice compilation of stories where animals can talk and they interact with each other. These stories have been written many, many years ago in Hitopadesha. Okay. This story tells us that each one of us is unique and we need not imitate others. How? Come on, let's get into the story. There was a hungry jackal. And he was not able to hunt very properly. He used to run behind rabbits and rodents, but they would escape. He was very, very hungry. So he entered into a village looking for food. The moment he went to the village, those dogs which are guarding all the pens, they came out running and they started chasing the jackal. The jackal started running very fast. And as he was running, he jumped over a fence and he fell into a large tub of blue dye kept by a washerman. That nearly what we put in clothes, the blue colored dye. He fell into that. And when the jackal climbed out, his entire body was blue in color. He was a light beige colored jackal, almost white. He became blue. Now he ran away back to the forest. He said, my God, what happened to me? But once he enters the forest, he sees something very strange. All the animals are scared of him. They don't know this is a jackal. They have never seen a blue creature in their life. There's no animal in the forest was blue in color. The deer, the rabbit, even the tiger and the lion started taking one step back when they saw him. Then the jackal sees his reaction, says, oh, now let me fool everybody. So he says, this is my chance. He stands up and says, don't be afraid. I'm a special creature. I have been sent by the heavens by God. I'm going to rule the forest from now on. I am your king. All the animals accepted. They have never seen a blue animal. Says, yes, maybe he has come from the heavens. So even the lion gives away his crown and says, yes, Your Majesty, we accept you as our king. Now the jackal started living a happy life. He started ordering out everybody, bring me food, bring me water, bring me this, bring me that. He saw all the jackals and he says, I banish all the jackals from this kingdom, from this forest. You have to go and stay outside the forest. Because he was scared if people see the jackal and they see him, they may say, oh, this is a jackal. He didn't want that to happen. So he just throws away. Banish means send them away. Go out of the forest forever. And he starts living like a king. So the lion and tiger become his guards. The deer and the rabbit start serving him things. Somebody is pressing his feet. And he's living a happy life. This goes on for a long time. One day, when the blue jackal was sitting proudly in the forest and he was dozing, he was sitting and he was half asleep. Okay. Those jackals whom he sent away, they were standing in the border of the forest and they started howling. You've heard now how dogs and jackals howl? Ooh, they go like that. Immediately seeing that his habit, what he does, he also starts lifting his head and going, ooh, he started howling like a jackal. What happens then? All the other animals who were serving him looks at him and immediately realize what? This is no godly creature. This is a jackal who is blue in color because his true nature, his true identity he could not hide. Sometime the truth will come out, no? So after many months, the truth comes out. And all these animals, they say, oh, you have made us a fool. So they said, this is not a special creature. Let us throw him out. They get angry and they chase this jackal, blue jackal, out of the forest. He falls into a pond and all the blue color washes away and he becomes a normal jackal again. And he gets so scared, he never enters this forest again. Okay. And he realizes, oh, I should never take up some other identity. I should have been a jackal. It would have been better. At least I would have had friends in the forest. Okay. So all the animals, they just throw him. Like he threw the jackal, they throw him away from the forest. So this we see that the jackal, just because he heard other jackals howling in the night, his true nature also comes out. How much ever he tried to act very godly and very princely and very kingly, but he could not hide that he is actually just a jackal, isn't it? So the moral is you cannot hide the truth forever. Pretending to be someone else will not last. If I say that I want to be like Narendra Modi, maybe, okay, he's a male, I can say some other film, Indira Gandhi, maybe I want to be, I can cut my hair gray, I can make it gray and start talking like her. But all the time, can I continue to be like Indira Gandhi? Sometime my nature will come out and people will come to know, no, this is not Indira Gandhi, this is Hema, isn't it? So, but what we should realize more than that is I am good as I am. Good qualities I will take from others, but I will not change my identity just to suit others. Children, you are all very small, but as you see in your classes, children, we try to imitate others, we try to copy others thinking they are more popular. It is not required. Be what you are. Okay, you are born in a particular way. Be like that all your life. Okay, you will be accepted for what you are. But learn good things from others. We don't stop you from doing that. Okay. So this was a story of the silly blue jackal who tried to call himself the king of the forest. Okay. So now shall I be going to quiz time? We have 3 minutes left. Quiz time. Okay. Why were the animals afraid of the jackal when he came into the forest?
Amma Samrita.
No, Samrita?
Ma'am, because he was painted in a blue color and there was no creature in blue color.
Yeah, correct. So they all got scared of him. Very good answer. Why did the jackal tell a lie at that moment when everybody was scared of him? Grahit?
Amma, the jackal told a lie because he wants to rule the forest by his own.
Yeah, and he saw that I can make a fool. Very good, Grahit. What mistake did he make in the end?
Amma, can I say Mridula?
Mridula, yes.
Because his nature is
Yes.
He do like another animal is not a blue
creature from gods. He came
So what did
there.
he howl like a wolf? What did he do? He howled like a
wolf.
jackal, right? So people came to know he is not a. Anybody else also would like to answer this question? What mistake he made at the end?
Mummy,
Shrihan has raised his hand. Shrihan, unmute.
Because he made a mistake because he want to rule everything.
He want to rule, but what mistake he made? He howled like a jackal.
He
And
howled
everybody
like a wolf in the end.
jackal. Yes, correct. What lesson do we learn from the story?
me.
Somebody who has not answered.
Ritula.
Nandan has not answered. Nandan.
Make lies, Amma.
We should not tell lies. Anything else? Anything else?
Me.
Yes.
Amma, Ritula, can I say?
We learn from the lesson that we should never lie and fool anybody.
We should not try to fool others. Okay. Then
Amma,
anything else?
Ritula, can I say
Yes.
Ritula?
Shrihan.
Mridula?
Amma, we should not think about others. We are good in ourselves and we are thought.
Very good. So we should not try to follow or imitate others fully. We are good as we are. Excellent. Very nice. Thank you, children. I hope you learned a lot from the blue jackal.
I want to tell.
Yes, Rehan.
Amma, we should not fool others, but we should not hide any life.
Hey, don't move. My head is spinning. Stay still. Stay still. Yes.
Then
What?
we should not fool others or give any fake thing or do any fake things.
Yes, because truth will come out in the end, right? Okay. Thank you, everybody. That was the story time. We go on to the next section now.
Thank you, ma'am. So next week we have Ramanavami celebrations. Okay. So before that, we will revise the Ram Bhajan that we learned last week, and one of you can sing on Ramanavami session next time. Okay. So we will start now. Shrihan, you can repeat. Okay. Okay. Start. Ram, 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 Ram.
Ram, 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 Ram. Jaya Ram, 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 Ram.
Very good. So sing same again. Yeah.
Jaya Ram, 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 Ram.
Very good. Grahit. Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dashamukha Mardana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dashamukha Mardana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dashamukha Mardana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Dashamukha Nandana.
Dashamukha Mardana.
Dashamukha Mardana Ram,
Ram, Ram, Ram. Say Ram, Ram, Ram.
Amma, I said it, Ram, Ram.
Okay. Next, Manushri. Pasupati Ranjana Ram, Ram, Ram. You say Pasupati Ranjana.
Pasupati Ranjana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Very good. Papa Vimochana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Papa Vimochana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Ram, 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 Ram.
Jaya Ram, 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 Ram.
Very good. Mridula. Anatha Rakshaka Ram, Ram, Ram.
Anatha Rakshaka Ram, Ram, Ram.
Apad Bandhava Ram, Ram, Ram.
Apad Bandhana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Anatha Rakshaka Ram, Ram, Ram.
Anatha Rakshana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Apad Bandhava Ram, Ram, Ram.
Apad Bandhana Ram, Ram, Ram.
Samrita. मैथिली नंदन राम राम राम
मैथिली नंदन राम राम राम
मारुति वंदित राम राम राम
मारुति वंदन राम राम राम
मारुति वंदित राम राम राम
मारुति वंदित राम राम राम
नंदन राम 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 राम
Ram 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 Jaya
जय
Ram 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 Ram.
Very good. Next line. Dasharatha Nandana Ram Ram Ram
Dasharatha Nandana Ram Ram Ram
Dashamukha Mardana Ram Ram Ram
Dashamukha Nandana Ram
Dashamukha Mardana. First line is Dasharatha Nandana. Okay. Next line is Dashamukha Mardana. Okay. Sing Dashamukha Mardana.
Dashamukha Mardana Ram Ram Ram
Pasupati Ranjana Ram Ram Ram
Pasupati Ranjana Ram Ram Ram
Papa Vimochana Ram Ram Ram
Papa Vimochana Ram Ram Ram.
Sing the Ram Ram line. Ram
Ram Ram Ram Ram Ram Jaya Ram 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 Ram.
Very good. Well, next para we'll do Grahit. Anatha Rakshaka Ram Ram Ram
Rakshana Ram Ram Ram
Anatha Rakshaka Ram Ram Ram
Anatha Rakshana Ram Ram Ram
Apad Bandhava Ram Ram Ram
Apad Bandhava Ram Ram Ram
See Apad Ram Ram Ram
Ram Ram Ram.
Very good. Okay. Mridula. Maithili Nandana Ram Ram Ram
Maithili Nandana Ram Ram Ram
Maruti Vandita Ram Ram Ram
Maruti Nandana Ram Ram.
Okay. Sing Rama 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 Ram Ram
Ram Ram Ram Ram Ram.
Okay, very good. So all of you are singing well. We'll announce separately as to who is to sing in the next week. Okay, now we will do the closing prayers.
So children, nicely you are singing the bhajans. So next week we are going to celebrate as Ram Navami special. Okay. So you have to prepare this bhajan and one of you have to sing of your own. Okay. Also a good news is next week we are going to start Ramayanam story. So many some of you have the book also. We will start Ramayanam. Last week I told you something about Ramayanam.
The book.
You have the book, no? Something I told no last week about Ramayanam. Anything? Can you answer? No? Can you answer? Who is the king of Ayodhya? Who can answer?
Ayodhya is Dasharatha.
Dasharatha. Very good. And
No, I
Dasharatha.
know one paragraph of the bhajan.
Now, okay, bhajan, okay. Next week you sing all full bhajan, okay?
Yes,
Now
yes.
you tell me who is the queen of Dasharatha? Anybody?
Queen Kaushalya.
Kausalya and two more.
Amma, I don't remember them.
Okay, anybody else? Kausalya. Two more queens. Three queens were there, no? Kaikeyi and Sumitra. Okay?
Amma, my mother is saying that I have to get Ram book that we write Ram.
That's also very good. You are writing Ram. Very good.
Amma, I did not receive it. My mother is telling her.
Okay, very good. Very good. Next
Yes,
week we will
Grahit. Yes, Grahit.
we will start,
I misplaced it. I will send it to you soon. Okay.
Yeah. Hema ma'am will send it to you so that you can write Ram. Okay? It is closed down. Next week, all of you tell your friends also that we are going to start Ramayanam story on Ram Navami special. So tell your friends also to join. Some of your friends in your class or relatives. Tell everybody. More people should join to the Ramayanam story. Ramayanam story tomorrow, next week. Okay, all of you can listen. Yeah. Okay. Very good, very good. Keep reading the book. Okay, whenever you get time. Let us close down. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamason Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.